To walk in nature is to witness 1,000 miracles. That is the focus of our practice today. If you can, go outside somewhere, even if it's just stepping out on a balcony. And if you can't go outside anywhere, then visualize being outside. When we walk in nature, we witness 1,000 miracles. But often we're unaware of the miracles that surround us. Everything that is around us has existed for millions of years. It has been entrusted to us. And we need to take care of it and ensure that what we see around us will survive for future generations. Obviously, not everything is meant to survive, but we have to do our best to make sure that things endure. We are responsible. We must make responsible choices, because when we take a walk in nature, we are surrounded by thousands, by millions of miracles, those that are seen, those that are unseen. Life around us, everything around us is teeming with life. So, as always, practice and enjoy.